Any plans for New Year? What about a short trip to Alibag? What if I take you to a virtual trip to Alibag? That too a budget trip with a stay near the beach with good food. So check out this video and then decide कि न्यू ईयर के लिए ये ट्रिप प्लान कैसा रहेगा. So without further ado, let's start the video. तो हम एकदम सुबह सुबह निकल गए and wrap up myself with all jackets and all because December mornings are really very cold. और बस हम निकल पड़े हमारी जर्नी को. See how beautiful the morning is. It's 6:30 in the morning. One hour की journey के बाद we stopped at this restaurant to have our breakfast. And we ordered masala dosa. And it was really good. So now we are heading towards Kashid beach. हम 2 से 3 दिन के ट्रिप पे आए हैं. The first day we will stay in Kashid beach, the most beautiful beach in Alibag. अभी तक जो नहीं आए हैं, they must come to this place. So this one is the Kashid beach. हम बीच में थोड़े देर में आएंगे. सबसे पहले हमें अपने लिए एक अच्छा सा स्टे ढूंढना है. So this one is the stay जहाँ हम रुकने वाले हैं and the name of the stay is Pallavdeep.
Hello guys, today we are in Alibag और मैं आपको एक ऐसे स्टे के बारे में बताने वाली हूँ जो बहुत ही रिजनेबल रेट में है और साथ ही साथ बीच के बिल्कुल सामने है. So you can enjoy everything and everything is accessible from here. So let's check out the place now.
So upstairs आके ये रहा टेरेस एंड वो जो दिख रहा है ना, that's the beach. Let's check out the room now. As you enter the room, there is a double-sized bed. Ceiling fan was there. We took non-AC room because it's really cold in December and there's no need of AC. And then this is the basin and that's me. So this side there is this washroom with western toilet. And in the right hand side there is this washroom. Geyser is there and all the important amenities were there. The main thing is the stay was good and everything was clean and we got the stay at 1000 only. Auntie was asking for 1200 but then she agreed to 1000. The cost of the AC room is 1500. अब हम चले बीच. As we reached there, we saw everyone is enjoying their time there. Hammocks are there in all the shacks. You can sit and relax here. And this is the beautiful Kashid beach, guys. The only beach in Alibag to have white sand. भूख लग रही थी तो हम अच्छे से सारे शैक्स को चेक करके फिर 6 नंबर स्टॉल पे गए. And asked that lady there to make pomfret masala fry and kingfish fry for us. So here is our pomfret and kingfish masala fry. And now I am going to enjoy them with this amazing view. Let me tell you guys, it tastes so good. You can really come to this 6th stall in Kashid Beach. They made the fish very yum. We have also ordered this prawns masala fry and that too was yum. Rides and everything got started again after lockdown. Horse ride was there, camel ride was there. Different kind of water sports were there. Jet ski was there and it costs 300 per person. Even parasailing was there and the cost was 1000 per person and 1500 per couple. Banana ride was there and it cost 200 per person. After enjoying a lot in the beach, now it's time to go back to the stay and rest for some time and have to come back again cause sunset तो बिल्कुल मिस नहीं करना है. So we are back again in the beach. But sunset से काफी जल्दी आ गए थे. So we decided to explore the market to know what else is there in the market. In case आप साथ में extra clothes नहीं लाए, then you don't have to worry because you can buy them from here and enjoy in the beach. Nariyal pani was also there. There were stalls जहाँ snacks भी थे and they were serving Maggi too. सनसेट को एंजॉय करते हुए हमने सोचा क्यों ना इस घोड़े गाड़ी पे बीच का एक राउंड लिया जाए. बस फिर क्या, हम चल दिए अपने सवारी पे एंड इट कॉस्ट्स अस 200 पर पर्सन. आई लव द राइड cause हम बिल्कुल बीच के साइड से गए एंड हमें पूरा बीच दिख रहा था. The sunset was looking so beautiful. हम फिर से 6th number stall पे आए to enjoy the Maggi in front of the sunset. Maggi was okay. Maggi ना सही पर फिश तो जरूर ट्राई कीजिए यहाँ पे. जो हमारा स्टे है पल्लवदीप, इनका खुद का रेस्टोरेंट भी है. तो रात को फॉर डिनर वी केम ओवर टू देयर रेस्टोरेंट एंड द डिशेस इन द मेन्यू are at a reasonable price. So we ordered their dry chicken and bhakri and a pomfret fish thali. And let me tell you guys, the food was really good. We slept after having the food cause tomorrow morning we will be going to Nagao beach. सुबह उठकर हम सबसे पहले काशीद बीच आ गए. And in the morning, this beach was looking more beautiful and mesmerizing. हम ज़्यादा देर रुक तो नहीं सकते, so we quickly had our breakfast and went back to our stay as we have to check out from our stay and head towards Nagaon. And this is the details and contact number of the stay where I was staying. If you want, you can surely check out with them.
बस अभी निकलना है हमें यहाँ से and it was really a great stay over here. I hope आपको आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. ट्रैवल के और वीडियोज़ आने वाले हैं. Till then, be safe, be protected and happy traveling.